Silver Fang, flowing water fist. Isn't that what it's called? Sort of in a fight pose, right? So let's go for it. Landscape page, pencil eraser, hip pose, if I go too fast. Got an arm coming out the back. And then the other arm just goes off the page down here. But we start with his fluffy eyebrows, right? So kind of here, right? I'm gonna go diagonal. His head's in 3/4 pose a little bit, right? So hairy eyebrows, spikes on the end first. Okay, one there, and then the other side bigger because it's slightly 3/4. So kind of a longer eyebrow over here. Right, eyes in underneath this, so diagonal line, and then it comes around up to there. Other one. Down to there. And then iris and pupil just underneath the eyebrow. Okay, so wrinkly dude, right? But his nose, well, yeah, so like there's like a frown in the middle. So like wrinkles and a frown here, sort of in the middle of his head. And then his nose will come down, bump out, back in. The other side of the bridge of his nose, just there. And then his nostril comes out, down to a point. Comes back around the other side. And then like the tip of his nose, kind of here. Right, and then he's got like wrinkles around his eyes and stuff. Like bags underneath his eyes and things. Like that. So then underneath his nose, he's got his big mustache sort of just sticking out here. Like so. And then his chin just sticks out from underneath. You got this big sort of square chin. His mouth, you could leave his mouth closed or you can open it. So in the picture it's open, so I'll just do what I can see. You can just see his tongue in there. And his bottom lip line, just here. So then, jaw up to there. Jawbone drawn in. Down that way. More sort of wrinkle lines and stuff on the face. Jaw on the other side, just here. Jawbone, cheek. There. Right, so we can just see kind of his ears, but they're behind his hair, right? So we've got like sideburn here and lots of sort of hair spikes and stuff for his hairline. Just these zigzags coming around. You change direction in the center. so, and then he'll have some like more wrinkles coming across his forehead. Like so, right? And then his ears stick out. There, and a little bit over here, but you can't really see because hair, so hair just here, and then like a little bit of the ear. There. Right, so then lots of hair spikes then sticking up. Remember, hair moves, goes in different directions and stuff, so if yours isn't exactly like mine, you don't really need to worry about that. Just once you get the sort of hair spikes going in the general direction, you should be okay. And then texture lines on the inside. Right, so anatomy now, right? So his head and his body aren't on the same plane. So what I mean, like his head is turned this way and his body is turned the other way, right? So the center line for his chest is here. Okay, so that's the middle line for his chest, all right? So you have a chest muscle going that way, and you have a chest muscle going this way. Right, so you've got this like letter Y sort of thing. Bottom of his chest muscle comes down up to there on that side and around this way on this side. And this chest muscle is smaller because it's turned away. It's about half the size of this one. Okay. And then we see his abs just there. And some like sinewy muscle fibers. I always like to get the center line for the chest and body in the right place first. And then there's like some muscle fight. He's got all these scars. I'll do some of them. I won't do all of them. But we'll scar like that. So he's a shoulder here, shoulder behind his head over here. Right. So this kind of collarbone area. Got all these bumps like that. And then we got neck muscle lines just here, right? So his neck at the back and a trapezius, big muscly trapezius, right? And then his shoulders, so we have really large shoulders, so 3 deltoid muscles, right? So you got like one here, next one like here, right? So this is like, so we'll draw them in one at a time. Real sinewy, 1, 2, and a third. Right, so this is his deltoid muscles. 1, 2, 3. Make this a bit more pronounced. can see some of his back here. So bicep then just goes down there. Like goes across like that. Down, tricep goes off that way. You can put a vein on the bicep just to show it's a bicep. And then obliques, ribs, just there. Right, now he does have a hand sticking up here in the picture, but I won't be able to fit it in. So let's do the hand on the other side anyway. We'll do one hand. Hands are always tricky. It's got some more hair sticking off here. Right, so backwards sort of fist, right? So bicep there, elbow sticks out from behind his head here, and then forearm goes off to a wrist joint there. And forearm on this side, quite big, going that way. So it's like his elbow. There's a scar on this bicep. There's another forearm line. Okay, and another scar. Right, and then just a fist, right? So coming out here, right, we'll go diagonally, and then we have a knuckle across, and then 4 knuckles going up. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4. This comes back like so, and then the palm of his hand here, and then the back of his hand, sort of skin lines. Right, so then each of these is a finger, so we'll go up to there, there. That. These sort of knuckle lines, and then his thumb. So, thumbnail just there. I mean, if you want like scratches and stuff all over them. Okay, Silver Fang from One Punch Man. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.